In this video, we'll look at how to append PDF files based on file names with the AutoSplit plugin for Adobe Acrobat. This technique is useful if you need to update outdated PDFs by appending new versions to existing files. This way the original files will remain the same instead of being modified. The first step is to organize files into separate folders. For this demonstration, we've named 3 folders A, B, and C. Folder A contains all the original files that we want to append the updated ones to. Folder B contains these new files, sharing the same first 5 file name characters. Folder C is currently empty and is where the output files will be located. Based on file name similarity, these output documents will be the updated files added after the originals as single documents. The actual names of the A and B folders in this example is not critical, but folder A must appear alphabetically before folder B. This makes it so folder A's files are placed in the output folder prior to the files from folder B. Let's take a look at how to open the required tool. Select Plugins in the upper menu, then Merge Documents, and Merge Documents with similar file names. In this window, begin by pressing the Browse button to locate the output folder. In this example, it's the pre-prepared folder C. We're going to enter 5 into this entry box, as the merging documents share the same first 5 characters. Next, use the Add Folder button to select the prepared A and B folders. Repeat this procedure to add as many folders as necessary. All added folders and their file counts will be listed. Once this is done, press OK. After processing, the results box shows all created files. Click Open Output Folder to view them. Visit Evermap.com for more product resources.